Hello everyone and welcome to a new Precious Plastic video. Today I found the most artsy-fartsy t-shirt that I could find and I came to visit Naue at El Clandestino because today we're gonna learn how to make these beautiful Picasso sheets.
Hello everyone, I'm Nahuel. We are in Clandestino now and we're going to show you how to do the Picasso sheets. This way of building sheets help us to don't have any waste in our production. Today we're going to be working with Emmanuel, so people vente para acá. He is the master of the sheets and he will show you guys how to do these beautiful sheets. So the first step is to turn on the heating elements of the sheet press so you make sure everything gets to the temperature while you prepare the material. So the first step is selecting the leftovers you're going to use for the sheet. Once you have all the amount necessary to fill the mold, you can start chopping it. It depends on what you want to do at the end, so make sure you have different colors, different patterns, so the sheet is going to be crazy as So to make the pieces smaller, we use the circular saw, like a wooden one, but you can use whatever you want to make smaller pieces. So once you have all the smaller pieces, you put them together to weight them until we get to 17 kilos, because that's the proper weight for the mold we're going to use. And here we have the secret ingredient.
There is no secret ingredient.
That is the dust we are creating in the CNC process, and this will help us to fill all the gaps between the small pieces. So basically it's waste plus waste, and the result is art. Meanwhile, we prepare the plastic, we make sure the molds are clean, and to do that we clean the mold first, and then we put some wax to help unmolding the sheets at the end. This is a classic precious plastic mold to make 1 meter by 1 meter sheets. When the mold is clean and the plastic is cutted, we place the pieces in the mold and we make sure they cover as much as possible, so then we can fill small places with the dust of the CNC. So we do first a first layer of pieces, then we put some dust, and then we go for a second layer of pieces. Okay, so now the mold is loaded and ready, and we're going to put it in the sheet press. Okay, so 2 hours have passed since we put this in the sheet press, and now we're going to take it to the cooling press. Okay, so the process is done. Now we have to wait for the sheet to cool. We're gonna leave it here for the next 2 hours because we are in Panama and here is super hot. But if you are in a colder country, it might be less. Okay guys, so this cake that we have here, some of you might guess what we're gonna do with this. And for sure this will be inside the next Picasso sheet. Okay, so 2 hours have passed. We went out for lunch with Mattia and the family, and now we are back here in the workshop ready to see people opening the mold to see how it looks, the art piece. So this is the result. We are now checking if there is any imperfection or something to fix, but it's looking good. So usually the bottom part is the one that comes out nicer because of the pressure is always going down. So at the end we store it in the pile of sheets we have, and we put on top of it some other sheets so we keep it plain and we avoid the bending.
I really hope you guys have learned a ton from this video. As you can see, that was just one possible way of making the sheet, but the possibilities are absolutely endless. Colors, shapes, pattern, you can really play with this technique. And we really hope that you've learned something today and that you're gonna have fun making Picasso sheets wherever you live in the world. Until next time, ciao!